Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are well. So beta, I am Shivani on behalf of Paramount Public School. I am going to teach SST grade 4th. Beta, as per demand and request of the students, I am giving you explanation and word meanings in Hindi. So, are you ready? Yes, our third chapter, calendars and the timelines. Calendar and timelines. I know very well. Do you know about the calendar? All ones having the calendar, and I know very well you are also circling your holidays and your mother's birthday, your brother's birthday, your sister's birthday, etc. So beta, today we will read about the calendars and almanac. So, human beings have since early times felt the need to measure the passage of time. मीन्स टाइम को मेज़र करने के लिए, इवेंट्स को रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए दे नीड, उनको कुछ चाहिए था. देन कैलेंडर्स एंड एल्मेनिक आर टू सच टाइप ऑफ क्रिएटिव दैट फॉर रिकॉर्डिंग इवेंट्स. मीन्स इंसिडेंट्स जितने होते थे उनको रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए, उनकी डेट एंड टाइम्स को मेंशन करने के लिए दे गेट कैलेंडर्स एंड एल्मेनिक. Now, firstly, a calendar. Calendar is a system used for recording date and time. A calendar divides the entire year into months, each month into week and year days. You know very well. We people all having the calendar. In your diaries also having the calendar. And the previous year we will give you calendar also. See that calendar. A year has 12 months, so it is divided into months. Each month having weeks, 4 weeks. So each week having days, 7 days. So it is divided into months, weeks and days. So important events and festival are usually marked on the calendar. So while we are feeling there is anyone's birthday in the March month, we are circling that and mentioning that. So incident and events, festivals, each and everything marked on the calendar. कैलेंडर पे हम मार्क कर लेते हैं. सो सम कैलेंडर कंटेन अ ग्रेट डील ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन. मीन्स कुछ कैलेंडर में बहुत ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन होती है. दे आर कॉल्ड एल्मेनेक. उनको एल्मेनेक कहा जाता है. एल्मेनेक इज़ अ ईयरली कैलेंडर. ईयरली कैलेंडर है. कंटेन्स इंफॉर्मेशन पाई जाती है. वेरियस सब्जेक्ट लाइक फेस्टिवल, वेदर, time of sunrise, sunset, best time to plant crops, changing phases of the moon, tide position of planet. An almanac is usually published in a form of book. Means एक ऐसी जंत्री के रूप में, एक बुक के रूप में पाई जाती है, पब्लिश होती है. So बेटा, the Gregorian and the Saka calendars. There are two type of the calendars, Gregorian calendar and the Saka calendars. Now, over time, different community across the world came up with their own calendars. Let us look two of them. उनमें से हम दो को देखेंगे. Number one, the Gregorian and the Saka. Now, the Gregorian calendar. Gregorian calendar is the most commonly used calendar system today. जो आमतौर पर हम आज भी यूज़ करते हैं. It is based on the time by the earth टू कंप्लीट इट्स रेवोल्यूशन अराउंड द सन. जो अपनी सन के द्वारा अपनी जो रेवोल्यूशन है, ठीक है, उसको कंप्लीट करता है. इट वॉज इंट्रोड्यूस बाय पोप ग्रिगोरी 13 इन 1582 एज अ रिवीजन टू यूलियन कैलेंडर. यूलियन कैलेंडर की रिवीजन के द्वारा इन्होंने अपना ग्रिगोरियन कैलेंडर इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया. दैट वॉज फॉलोड फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम इन द यूरोप. और ये लॉन्ग टाइम मीन्स लंबे समय के लिए यूरोप में फॉलो किया गया. सो बेटा, ग्रिगोरियन कैलेंडर बिगिंस ऑन 1 जनवरी. कब ये स्टार्ट करता है? 1 जन से और एंड 31 दिसंबर. तो 31 दिसंबर को एंड करता है ईयर को. ईच ईयर हैज़ 365 डेज. हाउ मेनी डेज आर देयर? 365 days. So as earth takes 365 and 1/4 of the day to complete a revolution around the sun. आपको पता है जो हमारी अर्थ है that takes 365 and 1/4 days to complete a revolution. एक रेवोल्यूशन कंप्लीट करने में वो 1/4 365 1/4 डेज लेती हैं. So beta, if we are adding this 1/4 day 4 year continuously, so it take 1 day. So ये एक नया दिन बन जाता है. So after 4 days we are getting 1 extra day, and added in a year it makes 366 days long. This extra day is added to the February. So हम इसको क्या करते हैं, February में ऐड कर देते हैं. Why we are adding into the Feb only? Because Feb have less days. That's why it is known as leap year, in which year we are adding 1 day, 1 extra day after 4 years. This is known as leap year. So dear ones, I hope you will understand about the leap year. So calendar more accurate century years कहता, because while it ends 00, so we included as a 400. So beta, we you know very well as a leap year. So therefore the century years 1700 and 1900 were not leap years, because we are included divided by the 400, not by 4. This is divided by the 400. So that's why 16 and 2000 were the leap years, because these are divisible by 400, but these are not divisible by 400. So I hope you will understand. Thanks. Have a nice day. And dear ones, I will tell you about the Saka calendar in the next video.